You can see us? Barely. No bulwar to nazywamy, no. I think someone is stealing a car. Better not be mine. You're missing sunglasses. The thing is, I don't have one. Like, I don't have any with me, which was silly. And then I don't think anything suits me, I can't lie. I don't think any sunglasses suit me. Thank you, because actually, I don't know if it's just because I've got blue eyes, but I'm so sensitive to the light. Oh my god. Czapka nie, ja czapki nie. Czapki nie. Ja i czapka nie. Nie pasują mi czapki. Because I'm sitting really Hey. Happy 6 months. Yay. Oh my god, it's gone so quick. Yeah, what the fuck? My real name? Jak jest w Polsce? Hi Harrison. It's so nice, I can't see. Guys, send me your heartbeats. It's been a while. Why you don't talk? I am talking. Ej, dosłownie nie, bo w Anglii tego nie ma. Ja dosłownie wstałam, zobaczyłam słońce, mówię, nie no, ogarniam się i wychodzę. Thanks, Junior. Guys, if you haven't sent a heart me yet, what are you doing? Hey, how are we? I am in Poland right now. Thanks, Harrison. Just ciepło, yeah, it is warm. Like, I have a hoodie on, but I don't really need it, to be fair. I could just sit in my long sleeve. It's quite nice. Ugh. I am Polish. Oh, I think someone's coming. Oh, my hair's not listening to me. Hey girl. No need to fake tan. No, I still need fake tan because sun just doesn't like me. I was so confused then when I said it wasn't part of your team, then realised I was on a fake account. Oh, fake account. Love that. No i thanks. Sama przecież, że Polski nie z mamą, ale mama pojechała dzisiaj nad morze na Dzień Kobiet. Wiesz co, rano w ogóle mi obudziła, powiedziała, jedna dziewczyna nie jedzie, chcesz jechać, a stwierdziłam, że nie chce mi się w ogóle. I was stalking everyone this morning, love that. I do that sometimes, but look. Hey. Pokaż nam widok. I already shown you, but this is what it looks like. Oh, please don't, wait, don't. Oh my god, wait, I think I know him. Do I know him? Oh, he's just going to the water, okay, slow. But yeah, this is what it looks like. My dad lives down there. Oh. Go on, lol, Jack. No. I need to brush my hair. Which part? I'm closer to the German border. I'm like up there, you know, up and left. Hi, Mickey. I don't need the challenge. Is it safer? Yes. Like, I would not be sitting like this in England by myself. But like, I'm chilling. Oh, thanks, Harrison. Wait, I need to like... Oh. Wait, one sec. No, akurat tu się fajnie trafiło. Jack, thank you for the heart, me. Andres, thanks for the finger heart. I need to brush my hair because hello. No. Thanks, Zado. God, I need... Hi, everyone. Hey. How are we, guys? Thanks for the follow. What the heck? Hey. Hi, Chris. Thanks for the follow. And the heart me. Thanks. How are we? Is it warm? Yeah, it is. Like, thanks, Chris. Oh my god. Thank you for the heart me, guys. Let's go. It's been a while. So before I did say, hi, Ella. I did say I'm going to take a little break, but I just thought, like, it's so nice here that I'm just going to, like, go live. Who cares? I don't know. Here's the heart me. Like, I wish I could just place you somewhere instead of holding it. What's the time? 12:30 p.m. Oh well.